Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at something a bit different, but equally exciting, the Casdon Dyson Cordless Vacuum Interactive Toy. While it might not be your typical household cleaning tool, this officially licensed toy Dyson vacuum is designed to give young ones aged 3 and up the chance to engage in realistic role play, mimicking the action of the real Dyson cordless vacuum. But how well does it live up to the iconic Dyson brand? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the design. The Casdon Dyson cordless vacuum is made to look strikingly similar to the real deal. From the sleek purple and orange coloring to the clear cyclone action, it's clear that this vacuum is all about creating a genuine, fun, and imaginative experience for children. At just 0.64 kilograms and 23.5 centimeters long, this toy is lightweight and compact, making it easy for little hands to grip and move around without feeling cumbersome. The dimensions also make it simple to store when not in use, whether in a playroom or closet. But this vacuum isn't just about looks. It offers multiple ways to play, providing both a short nozzle for handheld vacuuming and a long handle for a more realistic twist and turn action. This flexibility helps kids feel like they're really cleaning, just like mom or dad, and enhances the role-play experience. The simulated cyclone action adds a nice touch, bringing a sense of movement to the play, and it's surprisingly satisfying to watch as it spins and swirls while they clean. The toy also includes a couple of handy attachments, all designed for easy release. These accessories add an extra layer of engagement, whether your little one is vacuuming the floor, cleaning furniture, or pretending to tidy up a mess. The accessible debris tray, though primarily for fun, also mimics the kind of real-world functionality that would appeal to kids who are curious about how vacuums work in real life. In terms of performance, let's be clear. This is a toy vacuum, not a heavy-duty cleaning machine. It doesn't offer actual suction, but that's not the point here. The real charm lies in how it engages children in imaginative play while helping them develop coordination, spark creativity, and enhance motor skills. The realistic feel encourages role-playing, which is essential for kids' cognitive development, allowing them to emulate adult tasks and create their own stories. As for the battery, it requires 3 AA batteries to operate. While this doesn't offer the power or runtime you'd expect from a full-size Dyson, it's enough to keep kids entertained during their cleaning adventures. The low weight and easy maneuverability make it ideal for younger children who may struggle with heavier models, and the quiet operation ensures that it won't drown out the fun with excessive noise. Moving on to the user experience. It's an easy setup, and your child can start playing in no time. As with most toys of this nature, the simplicity is part of its charm. No complicated assembly or lengthy instructions. And while this toy doesn't function like an actual vacuum, it holds up well as a role-play tool that's bound to keep kids entertained and occupied for hours, while helping them practice tasks they see around the house. Whether they're pretending to clean the living room, the car, or even their own room, the Casdon Dyson vacuum is bound to spark their imagination. So, let's talk pros and cons. The lightweight design is definitely a pro here. It's perfect for kids and won't weigh them down as they move it around. The realistic design is another strong point. It looks just like the real Dyson, which helps children immerse themselves in the role-playing experience. The inclusion of a simulated cyclone action and accessible debris tray adds a layer of authenticity kids will love. On the flip side, there are a few limitations. It's a toy vacuum, after all, so don't expect any real suction or cleaning power. Some might find the lack of advanced features like different suction modes or a more powerful motor a downside. Also, the battery life, while sufficient for playtime, might not last as long as some parents would like, so be prepared to change the AA batteries every so often. When it comes to value for money, it's important to remember that this is a toy, not a full-size cleaning device. As far as toys go, it offers decent value with its realistic features and educational benefits. It's perfect for kids who love mimicking the grown-ups around them, or those who are particularly interested in cleaning and organizing. Compared to similar toys on the market, the Casdon Dyson stands out with its attention to detail and the involvement of real brand licensing, which makes it feel a little more authentic. As for comparisons, there are a few alternatives in the market, like the Fisher-Price cordless vacuum or the Kids Lane toy vacuum, but they generally don't capture the Dyson aesthetic as closely. While some other toy vacuums offer a similar play experience, few do it with the realistic look and feel that Casdon brings to the table. Plus, the additional cyclone action is a nice touch that sets it apart. In terms of build quality, it feels solid for a toy. It's not flimsy and is well constructed to withstand regular play. While it's not built to last as long as a real vacuum, it holds up well for what it is. Maintenance is easy. Just replace the batteries when they run out, and the attachments are simple to detach and clean. There's not much in terms of long-term durability concerns since it's intended for children's play and not for rigorous use. Wrapping it all up, the Casdon Dyson cordless vacuum is a fun, engaging toy that offers an enjoyable role-play experience for kids aged 3 and up. While it doesn't offer any real cleaning power, it shines in terms of its ability to spark creativity, develop motor skills, and encourage imaginative play. If you're looking for a way to engage your child with a fun Dyson-branded toy that mimics adult activities, this is a solid choice. It's not for serious vacuuming, but for kids, it delivers hours of enjoyable, developmental fun. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to get this toy is in the comments box. Let us know if your little one already has one or if you have any questions about this product. Until next time, keep the fun clean and the messes under control with Reviews Inside TV.